Today I'm showing you how to finish your macrame project with a slide knot. So I'm going to take and separate out the two outside strands, and I'm going to bring in the two anchors and bring them parallel up right next to each other. And then I'm going to take a separate cord and pull it through, and I'm going to use square knots with just the one cord here. Do one more knot, and then I'm going to trim this up. And then, so I'm going to take the outside cord and put it on the craft needle. And I'm going to take and put and work it through. Doesn't have to go very far. Just through two of the square knots, through these on the sides here. And I'm going to apply a little bit of glue. I'm going to pull that through, and then it pulls it through, and you can trim it off. And do it for the other side. Okay, a little bit of glue. Good, there we go. So we pull that through, trim it off. Oop, get that excess off of there. Okay, so now, and then I need to do it, this one, I'm just going to glue the ends here. And we want to make sure that we don't get it on the cords in the center. What you're going to do is apply a little bit of glue there. So you're going to cut up close there. So sliding, so that's good. And then put some beads on the end so you don't accidentally pull it through. And tie those on. There, and I got another blob of glue on there. Okay, and then you just snip those off.